Level 1, Word 1, Paraphrase. Welcome to Word of the Day, where we learn a word during the day. Learn a word and then rapidly forget the word. Thank you for coming by. I'm Benjaja. Subscribe. It's going to be nice. At times, lighthearted and foolish, and at other times, augmentedly serious. I hope you are somebody who wants to learn words as much as I do. I enjoy communication. And I enjoy when that communication is good, decent communication. So we're going to be learning words from this book called Verbal Advantage, or as the author, Charles Harrington Elster, might call it Verbal Advantage. Write me in the comments, Sir Charles, that you're not British. So the way that this book works is, as you might have already seen, there's 10 easy steps to a powerful vocabulary. You can see my book has gone through some years of wear, tear, keying on, as well as preying on. The more you're learning words, studying words, reading words, using words, the more we can, start to communicate effectively with one another so that our relationships flourish and so that we can also get laid. Without further ado, let's learn our first word. We're going to start at the very beginning of the book. Level 1, Word 1, Paraphrase. To restate, put what someone else has expressed into different words. The noun, a paraphrase, is a restatement of a text or passage to give the sense of the original in fuller terms. The verb to paraphrase means to restate something, giving the meaning in another form. Got it? To quote and to paraphrase are sharply distinguished. To quote is to use or repeat the word of someone else, giving acknowledgement to the source. For example, Denzel Washington said, "Trust your instincts." He didn't say that, and he didn't say it like that. To paraphrase Charles Harrington Elster, paraphrase. It's a word about saying things differently, maybe shorter, maybe more directly to the point. You get it. Okay, fine. All right, that's today's episode. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Come back tomorrow. We're doing this on the daily, for better or for worse. Thank you, and I'll come up with a log outline as time goes on. You can only do so much planning in one day.